College, there was a little diner at the edge of town that was always packed for breakfast. Besides having killer omelets that were practically the size of my head, they were also known for their homemade cinnamon bread that was thick cut and toasted on their griddle. Well, they made theirs from scratch. We've come up with an easy shortcut version that's cinnamony delicious. Ours starts out by unrolling a tube of refrigerated French bread dough onto a cutting board. You want to do this gently so you end up with a rectangle, like this. Next, we brush this with some melted butter and sprinkle on a generous amount of cinnamon sugar. On top of that, we add some raisins, or if you prefer, dried cranberries, cherries, or you can mix and match your favorites. Now we roll this up and place it in a loaf pan and let it sit at room temperature to rise for a bit before we bake it off. After it cools slightly, we drizzle it with a quick throw-together vanilla glaze. Now it's ready to enjoy as is, or you can butter it up and toast it on a griddle like I remember. Either way, I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. You can get our shortcut recipe for cinnamon swirl raisin bread online. I'm Howard of the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a memory-making way for you to say, "Ooh, it's so good."